Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. So today I'll be teaching you on how to link your Instagram to TikTok. So the first thing that you'll need to do is you just have to open your TikTok application on your device and then click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Okay, this one. Now click on the edit profile, and then at the bottom you can see the social. So just click on the Instagram. Okay, this one right here. And after that, you'll be redirected to this page where you have to type out your email or username as well as your password, or you can continue with Facebook. So if you cannot see this section right here, we can go with our second method on how you can connect. So let's just go back here and then click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen and then select the settings and privacy. Right here, just click on the share profile and then click on the copy link. After that, you just have to close your TikTok and open your Instagram application. And after that, just click on the edit profile. And here, just have to click on that now and then click on the add link option. Okay, now click on the add external link and type out here the URL that we have copied and just type out here TikTok and then click on the checked mark icon at the top right corner of your screen to save your changes. And after that, let's go to our Instagram profile. And when we go and click on this link right here, we'll be redirected to our TikTok profile. So whoever will going to click on this link right here, they'll be redirected to our TikTok profile. And that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.